So in today's video, it's order blocks easy money strategy part 2. If you've seen the first video, I bust down order blocks in a way where you can find high probability, easy setups, just break a market structure, return into the order block. All right. In today's video, I want to kind of continue this and show you how to use multi-time frame analysis and find hidden order blocks on other time frames that you may not see on like a 4-hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, 5 or 1 minute chart. What I have been paying attention to and what I've noticed in practice is looking at these higher time frames like the 8-hour or the 12-hour. You'll see order blocks like such as here that will form, right? But what I've noticed about these order blocks is that the mean threshold of that order block, what I mean is measuring the open to the close of that candle with the Fibonacci. You're going to measure out the 50% level, okay? And here is a perfect example of just that. So when you measure out that high to that to that low, or that open to that close, you see that 50% level at 149,265, correct? So we can just draw that out. Right, and you see it hit it like perfectly. Like, talk about like just to the pip, you know what I mean? Like, so you got this whole order block, but within this whole order block, when you go into refine it, let's go down to the 4-hour chart. All right, so you see this is still makes up a big portion of it. We'll refine, go down to the 2-hour chart. And as you can see, that 50 level lines up just on the 2-hour chart with that high of this last down candle, right? So as you can see, this high comes in right at 143982. You just move your mouse over to this candle, you can see, and you can read the price chart up there. So you see 149382. And then you see the 50 level from the 8-hour order block. You see that mean threshold was 1,365, 1,493,265. Sorry. So just put that there. All right. And so as you can see, I mean, you're talking a few pips. Let's go down to the hourly and see if we can refine it even more so. Right. So boom. Okay. Now you're down onto the 1 hour, right? Now the high of this last up candle is 149324, which is, I mean, we're talking, you know, what, 7 pip difference, 6 pip difference or so from that mean threshold. So as you can see, obviously this 1 hourly candle was taken right here, but as you can see from the higher time frame, let's go back to the 8-hour. You can see that you can really get some sniper entries once you refine. You start on these higher time frames that majority of people are not really looking on. You find between the mean threshold, if it aligns with the order block on a smaller time frame, you can really get these sniper approaches. The only difference is that you're going to be waiting a lot more on an 8-hour chart, or let's say even a 12-hour chart, right? On a 12-hour chart, you're going to be waiting a lot longer for this to unfold. You can do this on the daily as well. But this is just something that I wanted to introduce, or something that I found works extremely well, which is measuring out that mean threshold on the higher time frame. And you have to you gotta be kind of like take an investigative approach and look for these down candles on these different time frames. So definitely start measuring out on the 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour chart. Measure out that mean threshold, draw it out into to present time, and then try to refine it. And you'll find that there is, if you have an order block within that larger time frame, and you go out and measure out, you can kind of get these sniper approaches. The only thing is, it's going to take extreme patience when searching for these and really executing upon them. So just a quick tidbit, just to kind of like segue from part one. If you haven't checked out part one, order block, easy money strategy, definitely, I put the link right here. Check that out, and we'll see you on the next one.